the video you talked about uh, being cautious about doing gua sha in areas of breakouts or
Yes.
inflammation.
Yeah.
So if I have breakouts in my jawline,
Yeah.
I need to avoid gua sha on my neck.
No, no, you could still do it on the neck. You just, and it also, it kind of depends on like like where it's at. I know I can trust you when I say this. There's certain clients that'll hear me say, there's certain times you can do it and they'll just do it every time. But with you, it's if it's really infected and painful and almost cystic, or if it's like really just red. Like if it's kind of in a healing state, you can go around it a little bit more. And I'll kind of monitor that. But sometimes, especially with your breakouts, they're still kind of at bay. They're not like holy, you can't even move your neck. Like they're just, it's this old mucus that's almost coming out. It's like old cells. And the reason why I think, well, the reason I know it's accumulating here, and this has probably been happening for you for a while, because you've been like navigating this conscious change in your life and you've switched over your products. So the things that were getting infused on the rest of the face, they've slowly made their way out. They're trying to drain out through the neck, and you're probably just having like tension in the jaw, and it's just having a hard time funneling through. And everything tends to pool here or here. So you're doing a great job of releasing tension on the face. It's just making sure that the neck is open for it to release. So this is probably, the stuff that's here is probably years of waste that has accumulated in the lymphatic system, and you're doing a good job of just slowly moving it out. But unfortunately, once things pool here and here, the structure of your pores is so much smaller that it's trying to filter out, but it's taking longer to heal, because if it was on the T-zone where the structure of the pore is more flexible, it would have moved out already. So we have to try to get it through the lymph, but it could also be slower to heal. So just be aware of that, is that it makes sense for it to be here and it makes sense for it to take a long time. But I also want to make sure that we are like optimizing the care so that it has somewhere to go.
Yeah.